Hello, my name is Chavi Chabra and today I am going to discuss the topic Euler's theorem for homogeneous functions. So let us first know what are homogeneous functions. A function f of xy is said to be homogeneous function of degree n if it can be expressed in the form f of xy equals to x to the power n phi of y by x, or f of xy equals to y to the power n phi of x by y. Let us discuss this with the help of an example. U equals to x to the power half y to the power half upon x plus y. Our aim is to express u in the form of x to the power n phi of y by x or y to the power n phi of x by y. Taking x to the power as common, it can be written as x to the power minus half function of y by x. So this shows that u is a homogeneous function of degree minus 1 by 2. Since now we are familiar with homogeneous functions, we can discuss upon Euler's theorem. If u is a homogeneous function of degree n in x and y, then x del u by del x plus y del u by del y equals to nu. This equation holds, where n is the degree of homogeneous function and u is the function of x and y. We can solve this by verifying an example. Verify Euler's theorem for u equals to x power half plus y power half x power n plus y power n. Solution. So our step 1 is to check if u is a homogeneous function or not. If we find it as homogeneous function, we can apply Euler's theorem. So u can be written as or further we can write it as function of y by x. U is a homogeneous function of degree 1 by 2 plus n. Therefore, by Euler's theorem, the following equation should hold. Left hand side. Del u by del x comes out to be plus x power half plus y power half, del u by del y, it comes out to be y power minus half I've differentiated the term u partially with respect to x using the product rule. So considering first equation, differentiation of x to the power half is 1 by 2 x to the power minus half, second part as it is, plus differentiation of x to the power n over here, first term as it is. Similarly, del u by del y. Now x del u by del x. The value is 1 by 2 x power half xn yn plus x n x to the power n x power half y power half. Similarly, y del u by del y comes out to be now from 1 we have to add both these equations. Adding these two equations we get 1 by 2 x power half y power half x power n y power n plus n or we can say 1 by 2 plus n x power half y power half x power n y power n, and this term is nothing but u. So x del u by del x plus y del u by del y equals to 1 by 2 plus n into u. So this is a result of left hand side. Now solving right hand side of the given equation. Right hand side says x del u by del x plus y del u by del y equals to nu, and we have derived that u is a homogeneous function of degree 1 by 2 plus n. So therefore right hand side x del u by del x plus y del u by del y equals to, the degree of the function is 1 by 2 plus n, this is 1 by 2 plus n u, which is same as left hand side. Therefore we have verified the Euler's theorem.